Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Struggling to open HEIC photos on your computer? Here's a quick way to convert HEIC to JPG online, for free. Now I will show you the process. Go to iSunshare HEIC Converter official website at any browser. OK, upload your HEIC files from your device. You can drag and drop multiple images at once. Then click Start Processing to begin the conversion. In just seconds, the conversion ends. Click Download to download your JPG or PNG files, ready to use anywhere. It's fast, secure, and completely free online, no software needed. Try it now and convert your HEIC files. Use iSunshare HEIC Converter, no installation required. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.